why you will need a seam ripper, costume jewelry, or hair ties for this video. Hey, welcome back to the channel XOXO Priscilla. Today's episode is a DIY. And what I want to recommend for you all to do, go to a thrift store or go to a store that has a deep discount like Ross, DDE's, TJ Maxx. Find you some Daisy Dukes. Yes, I said it. Find you some short shorts, and you're going to upcycle those short shorts into a belt. Yes, I said it, a belt. Now find a deep discount. So some thrift stores are out here charging you way too much, but you can go to a place like DD's, or even you can go to Macy's and find their last act. That's like their clearance, and the last act is the final price that they'll sell something for. So like in the future, I have a video where you see some corduroy wide leg pants I got for $5. Crazy. And I'll be turning those into a belt skirt. So today, these are some Levi's Daisy Dukes. They can't fit any part of my body, but they are gorgeous. Waist is a 32. My waist is not a 32. But these are some gorgeous distressed Levi's shorts. So these will make a perfect belt. So even if the waist is too small, you'll just go ahead and do the rubber band trick. Your goal is just to have some kind of belt just to up the fashion. You know, we're not going to worry about what other people think. As long as you have the money to pay for the item, that is all that matters. And as long as you could make your outfit just feel like the vibe that you're looking for, help your outfit to make you more original, more yourself, feel the way that you hope to feel that day. So like I said, go get you some Daisy Dukes, or look in your closet for shorts you used to wear that you can upcycle. And let's get into this project. All right, so get you a seam ripper and just open them up. Find the thread. Hey, for a more finished look, consider pressing the shorts after you're done ripping out all of the thread. Now, yes, I could have used scissors and just cut this out, but I think the part that makes it artistic, when you take your time, like you see the different color variations, because you know the fabric is so distressed from being washed multiple times. All right, next step. So yeah, I think I'm gonna use the seam ripper right here as well, because like I said, I want to see the color variations. All right, let me do the last part. All right, so we're finally at the last piece. Oops, I've gotten it tangled. If your shorts fit your waist perfectly, then you are done. You have your piece. A 32 is very far out for me. So what I need to do, I need to take this piece off right here. And that, oh, or just open up. Yeah, open up the zips. All right. All right. So we got the shorts open. Let's see. We are short about, what is that, 4 or 5 inches. So get you some hair ties. I chose to use black. I'll start off seeing if 4 is enough. Stick it in the middle of the jeans and then stick one inside. Pull through. Second one. Push through and pull it all the way through. I think one more should do it. And then the last one, we just hook onto the button. So 3, let's see if we can drop it down to 2 then. Because 3 did do it, but I want to see how 2 will look. Yeah, 2 did it. Cool. All right, let me go ahead and get you a video of it. Let me back this up. Be back in a sec. Now, what I could do, I could also get a belt to close this little opening, especially like a jean belt. And yay. Next. All right, let me know. All right, so I found a solution that makes me happy. You can get yourself some costume jewelry that you can find at a beauty supply for about $1, maybe $3, maybe even $5, I don't know. And what I did was loop it through the buttonhole and then looped it over the button itself. So I really like this gold detail in the center. A chunky gold belt would work too, and I'm sure silver would as well. I just happen to love the gold color. So I'm very happy with my DIY belt, and I'd like to know your opinion. Can you see yourself making this for yourself or someone else? Or you think I should have just gave the hot shorts, the Daisy Dukes, to somebody with a 32-inch waist? You're having a wonderful day, and I wish you nothing less than a peaceful evening.